Hi students, today we are going to learn something very interesting. You know what? We're going to learn how to create a trigonometric table for standard angles. Now for the standard angles, how are you going to create this table? Let's see this first. First we are going to list down all the standard angles. You know all the standard angles, it is nothing but 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, right? Now let's list down all the ratios. The ratios which we know is nothing but sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta, right? And how to create? Now you will be wondering, are you going to remember or memorize all this? No, you're going to create a small working here. See the working row, right? Observe. And that working, to create that entire, to get the value of that sin theta for all the values, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. I'll show you a small working. It's very simple. Just place the numbers starting from the first column, that working, from 0 to 4. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Divide each of this by 4. So it will be 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. After this, take the square root of each. That means it is root of 0 upon 4, root of 1 upon 4, root of 2 upon 4, root of 3 upon 4 and root of 4 upon 4, right? Now you just need to get the value. What is the value of root of 0 upon 4? 0 upon 4 is 0, so root of 0 is going to be 0. Same way, now what is the value of this? It is root of 1 upon 4. Root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2, so the value is 1 upon 2. For the next one, the value is going to be, if you cancel it in the smallest form, it will be 1 upon 2. So now you know root of 1 is 1, but root of 2 is root 2, so the value will be 1 upon root 2. Similarly here, if you see what is the value, it would be root of 3 will be root of 3, root of 4 is nothing but 2, so we have the value as root 3 upon 2. And for the last, it's so easy, you know, root of 4 upon 4 is nothing but 1, that means root of 1 is 1. So we got the first line created. Did we memorize anything? No, it's so simple to create. Now, so that means what has happened is we have got the values of sin theta for all the standard angles. Now you would be wondering how and what are we going to do for cos? Observe, it's very simple. It's very, very simple. Just move the values of sin theta as observed on the screen. See the screen, follow. So 0 from here moves on to the last there. 1 upon 2 moves there. 1 upon root 2 remains as it just comes down. Root 3 upon 2 goes there. And 1 goes there. And what has happened? You know what? You got all the values of cos theta for the standard angles. Right? Now, so that means cos value is done. So now we need to get the value of tan theta. So for the value of tan, now is there a relation which you have learned between sin, cos and tan? Yes, there is a relation, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. We have the value of sin theta and cos theta, so that means we just need to divide it and we are going to get the value of tan, right? So let's see what we are going to do here. So it is 0 upon 1, it is nothing but 0. Now when you are going to divide here, so the denominators, that is 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you will get it as 1 upon root 3. Here if you see, when you are going to divide it, the same thing upon same thing. So it is going to get cancelled completely and you will get the value as 1. Here when you cancel it, the denominators are same, cancel it. So what we would get is nothing but root 3 upon 1, which is nothing but root 3. And 1 upon 0 is nothing but, when you have 0 in the denominator, you can't do the division. So that means it is not defined, right? So you know what has happened? We have got the tan theta for all the standard angles. So this is also done. So sin is done, cos is done and tan. Now we need to get the next three. Believe me, it's very easy. To get the value of cot, what we are going to do is just move the values of tan as observed on the screen. Right? 0 moves, you remember, like we did for sin and cos, cos ke liye, same. So 1 upon root 3 moves here, then 1 remains as it is, root 3 moves and not defined also moves, right? So we got the value of cot theta for all the standard angles. Now we are going to do it for sec. You know what? Is there a relation between sec and cos? Yes, there is a relation. Sec is nothing but, it is the reciprocal of cos. So we have the value of cos, we have to just take the reciprocal. Now 1 is nothing but what? 1 means it is 1 upon 1. So if you take the reciprocal of that, it's going to be 1, right? Beautiful. Now what is the reciprocal of root 3 upon 2? It is 2 by root 3. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon root 2? It is root 2. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2? It is 2. Beautiful. And 0 is nothing but 0 upon 1. So what is the reciprocal of 0 upon 1? It is 1 upon 0. And if it is 1 upon 0, that means it is not defined. So that means we got the value of sec. Now we want the value of cosec. It's very easy again. To obtain the value of cosec, it is very simple. Just move the values of sec. Same way, beautiful. Now you know how you to do it. Now sec 1 moves here, 2 upon root 3 moves, root 2 remains as it is, 2 moves to the left hand side and not defined. You know what has happened? We have got all the values of cosec for the standard angles. And you know what? Yes, we got the table completed and we have got the values of all the trigonometric ratios for the standard angle, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Wasn't it easy? A very simple thing. Beautiful.